So in this video, we're going to look at the difference between fine and continuous terminations. So I have a program that's using joint motions to go around the box at points A, B, C, D that touch each of the corners of this red box. So I'm going to start off using fine termination, which means it's actually going to stop at each one of those points. So as you watch this, it's making arching motions because they're smooth motions, but there's a little bit of a hesitation at each point because it actually stopped at each point. Next, I'm going to go to continuous 20, which means that it's going to slow way down to about 20% of the speed. Now this is running the speed settings here on each of these programs is 50%, which means about 1,000 millimeters per second. But now it's when it gets near those points, it slows down, and as it reaches those points, you see it doesn't actually, it may kind of flash that it got at that point, or some of them I didn't really see it flash because it's like it maybe, yeah, like if we zoom in here, you can see that it doesn't look like it actually reached point C in here, point 4, point C. It kind of rounded that off a little bit, okay? So it may not actually get to the point. It gets near the point, slows down and gets near the point, but maybe not actually to that point. So now let's look at one more example here where we're going to run at 100% speed, which means we're not even going to slow down. We're just going to cruise on past each of these points. And so as you see this, it's kind of like, wow, it didn't really reach any points. Okay, so it just kind of cruised right on by, not reaching any of those points.